Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda. So, we are continuing our conversation regarding Wave, the free accounting software. So, this is our last tutorial. So, we're going to talk about reports, and two particular reports is the age receivables and the age payables in more detail. So, once again, you will go to reports and you'll go down to customers. So, this is very important. Usually, I find that small businesses do not utilize the age receivable report. And in order to have an age receivable report, you actually have to use the invoice function in your accounting software. So if you're using Wave, you actually have to create your invoices. And once you create your invoices, you can actually go to age receivables and it will give you a list of customers that owe you. And so, as you can see, it will give you the number of days overdue. This way, everything is in one place. You don't have to go figure out when did you send that invoice, who needs to pay you. It's all right here. So this is why the age receivable is so important. Because if you think about this age receivable, this is money coming in. So this is money you need to keep the doors open. So you want to make sure that customers, clients are paying you in a timely manner. You can export this file as a CSV or a PDF. So once again, age receivable is a report that will tell you what customers owe you. Then we go to vendors. So many times, we get the bills through email now, or, it may still come through mail. And then, we can just be sitting at our desk and then we say, oh, we need to pay our bills. We need to do this. Or you may get a notice that something is overdue. If you utilize the bill function in Wave, which means you create that bill, you actually put that bill in Wave, you will actually have a age payable report. I'm sorry, age payable report. This will be unpaid bills. So instead of you having to go through email or ask someone on your staff what is actually due, you can go to this report and everything is listed here. So this is all about creating systems. When you create systems, and you basically, what we call in accounting, do the workflow in the accounting software, it makes your life so much easier. So you want to make sure you're using the software to your benefit. So once again, this report, similar to the age receivable, you can download it as a CSV or a PDF file. But once again, everything is right here. You as an organization just have to utilize the function. So, and once again, in order to have an age payable report, you have to put in the bill. So if you owe any utilities, your credit card, any loan payment, a supplier, put those bills into Wave or your accounting. So if you use another accounting software, put those in your accounting software and you will have an age payable report. Lastly, another report that you should review in Wave is the account transactions. This is the general ledger. Always recommend that you review this report probably on a quarterly basis, probably even on a monthly basis. And what this is, the general ledger lists every transaction that has hit the books. And in Wave, you can actually say, okay, I want to see all accounts. You can put the date range. You can select the report type. You can even select a particular customer or vendor. You can even also export CSV or PDF. I recommend going through the general ledger so you can actually see what's actually hitting the books. So once again, these transactions are hitting your profit and loss statement in your balance sheet. So once this bill comes across, the accounting software behind the scene summarizes all these transactions so you can see one number on the profit and loss statement or one number on the balance sheet. I recommend just going through here saying, okay, look what I'm paying, look what has come in, because sometimes I use memberships a lot as an example. Many times we sign up for things and we don't utilize that membership. So you may find things that you no longer need or no longer want. So you can go through this GL and identify those things. Also, too, it gives you an idea of what you're spending your money on, particularly vendors. If you have to purchase things to actually, produce your product or service. So I always think it's a good idea to actually go through your general ledger, either monthly, but at least once a quarter. So hopefully you found this information helpful. If you're self-employed, you're a small business, you're a small nonprofit, definitely check out Wave. And if you decide not to check out Wave, you definitely want to get an accounting software. So needing assistance, any advice, any guidance on what accounting software may be a good fit for you, definitely message us or give us a call. I'll see you next week.